François, tu m'entends? Déconnecte-toi, il y a trop de monde sur le truc.
Vas-y, bah, tu peux me jarter. Tu me jartes ou pas?
Ah ouais, faut que tu sortes, il y a trop de monde. C'est en train de charger, c'est en train de charger.
Comme nous. Pour une fois que j'y suis pour rien.
Ça charge, ça charge. Si vous êtes en train de nous retrouver, ça charge, mais très lentement. Oh là là. Bon, Manu, apparemment, c'est en train de charger. Là, tous nos écrans sont bloqués. Bon, on voit quand même l'écran derrière qui, lui, est bloqué, mais ça, c'est fait exprès. On a 5 personnes qui sont dans la salle d'attente. Loïc Caillé, Olivia Piana, François Colissi, Fredia, and Jade Connor. Everybody, welcome. If you are following us, everything is loading. We are from Brittany. It's a stormy day today. We've got Loïc, Olivia, Jade, Francois. So it takes a bit of time, but it will happen. Everything is loading. We are from Brittany. It's a stormy day today. We've got Loïc, Olivia, Jade, Francois. So it takes a bit of time, but
J'avais dit que c'était compliqué.
it will happen. Everything is loading. We are from Brittany. It's a stormy day today. We've got Loïc, Olivia, Jade, Francois. So it takes a bit of time, but
J'avais dit que c'était compliqué.
It's gonna be all right. Sorry, so just a bit of patience. Everything is loading. It's gonna be slow. Oh my God! But it's Tuesday night and tomorrow it's Wednesday. You're not working tomorrow, Manu?
No. I don't working.
You don't work.
In general, in the time, I don't work.
Let's maybe switch to the Thalassa.
Yeah. You want?
Allez.
It's possible.
Special
It's
Thalassa.
possible.
We explain why Thalassa is in our heart, especially today. In this
Explain
day.
maybe Thalassa.
Yeah, we have
TV,
time. We have the
TV
time. We have
movies,
the time.
no?
We have the time.
sent la mer. La mer. Ouais, ça c'est sûr.
Ah, mais Loïc, il m'entend?
Ah, je t'entends, t'as un beau pull, Fred.
Ah, merci,
Un
écoute,
pull
ouais.
de tueur.
Je te
toujours
retourne le
Loïc,
compliment
là.
sur ta chemise. Ça va? Bon, c'est cool, on va pouvoir parler un peu voiture classique entre-temps pendant qu'il
Tu
nous
es en
laisse.
français ou
Hein? En
tu es en
français?
français ou
Ouais, vas-y, on le fait en français.
voilà, ouais. Attends.
Je crois qu'ils nous ont je crois que François et enfin Christophe et Manu, ils nous ont laissé tout seuls avec un demi-million de wingfoilers là sur Facebook.
C'est vrai, j'ai l'impression qu'on est tous les deux.
J'ai pas le live en direct, mais écoute, moi je te propose un truc, c'est qu'on refasse un truc un peu pirate entre-temps qu'on appellerait le wing bar.
Le wing bar, voilà.
Le
Bah
wing
écoute,
bar.
à la tienne.
À la tienne, comme les bars sont fermés, on peut peut-être lancer le wing bar.
C'est clair, on est obligé de.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux que je te dise? C'est comme ça, hein.
Bah ouais, ouais,
On
ouais.
est obligé de se réinventer. C'est le moment de faire un putsch à la Donald Trump, là. Bon, c'est un peu des amateurs quand même, hein. S'ils
Non,
connaissent
c'est clair que nous, on a
trop,
réussi à virer la télé, là, quand même.
regarde, la technique et tout, elle n'est pas là. Le matos, ils n'ont pas de budget. Il y a
Un
un
coup
moment donné,
d'état, quoi.
faut laisser la place, faut laisser les professionnels un peu. Faut laisser les professionnels prendre la main, quoi.
Bon, bah écoute, attaque.
Bon, attends, alors, est-ce qu'au moins ils nous ont pas changé complètement le truc? Est-ce que
Attends,
sur Facebook,
ils nous ont balancé dans la salle d'attente, en fait.
ouais, j'ai peut-être
Et
ça.
non, regarde, sur Facebook, c'est toi et moi qu'on voit.
Ah ouais, bah bonjour à tous. On a
Voilà,
décidé donc. Ah mince, ils reviennent. Donc bonjour à tous, Loïc et moi, nous avons décidé pendant cette petite panne technique Wing Club de créer le Wing Bar. Ils sont revenus.
Quand même.
Ils sont revenus.
You are doing the live with us.
On a eu peur. Hein.
We were live, guys.
Yes, of course you were live. Hey,
talking dirty stuff.
the worst start ever. The worst start ever. Putain d'intro. But hey, what were you talking about, Fred and Loïc?
We were just saying that since we were alone and that the bars are closed, we should reinvent the name of the club and call it the Wing Bar.
The Wing Bar.
I like it.
The
That's
Wing
a wing
Bar.
bar.
So we were having a drink on that.
Ah, but you are super right. You are super right. To start without us, you've been pretty polite and kind. Everybody, welcome to the Wing Club. I am Chris. I am a wing foiler. And
I'm Manu. I'm not a wing foiler.
ah bon?
No, not
Ah,
yet.
well.
Not yet. Maybe the next week.
Yes,
Yeah.
maybe the next week. We'll see how it goes with this episode. Everybody, welcome. We are connecting. We've been connecting a lot of stuff this evening. We've been connected a screen. We've been connected as well some special phone. There is a special line and it is working. Hold on, I'm going to put as well the number in a few minutes.
Ah,
So
it's the number,
and
it's-
we've got, you have the number already?
Yeah. The wing line.
No, it's
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 a wing line.
but that's your number, Emmanuel.
No, it's a wing line. It's not my number.
No, Manuel, your the wing line is starting by 07. You made a mistake now. T'as donné ton numéro de
Non,
téléphone à tout le
c'est
monde.
donné à un autre.
Ok, who
C'est
do
le
we
bazar.
have? Olivia, hello, good afternoon,
Hello.
Olivia.
Hi
Hello,
guys,
Olivia. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good and you?
Ah, yes. We've done a bit of setup and we're not big fan of technique with Manu, but life is life.
We progress.
Yeah. Can you see the screen behind us or
Yes, sure. So nice.
is it good now?
So great.
Welcome to you, Olivia. You are our special guest. Welcome to Jade O'Connor. Hello, Jade.
Hey, Christophe. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, yeah.
Jade.
That's the Irish way. Yes. Hello,
Cheers.
all the Irish people.
Sláinte.
This is a drink for Tuesday.
Hello, everybody.
Okay. And hello, Fred.
Hi guys.
Hello, Fred.
I like
Happy
your
New Year, guys.
Hawaiian style. Christmas every day, eh?
Yeah. Beautiful pullover.
And hello, Loïc. Back to Hawaii with Loïc. How are you, Loïc?
Fine. Except for speaking English. For the rest, is okay.
Ah, come on. That's okay. Can we have the menu of the day, Manuel? So
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible to have a menu. Yeah.
everybody, hello, Catherine Etienne, hello, Patricia from
Ah,
Chile. We have
Catherine.
people looking. No, is there some people from Chile who are watching us? They must have a laugh. They must say, "Look, these guys, they don't have any internet there." Anyway, if you can see on the back, Fred, can you see on the back as well?
Yeah.
Not yet, maybe. See, you okay?
Yeah.
So everybody, welcome. This is for all the wing foilers, but it's as well with sympathy and humor. Just half an hour of good fun.
Yeah. Maybe 1 hour, no, half hour.
Well, it took us 2 hours to do the setup. For
It's true.
25 minutes.
A lot of problem. Yeah.
We had episode 0 with Olivia. How was the episode 0, Olivia? Just before we go on and start the menu. Olivia, this is a question for you.
It was nice seeing something new. Can you
Yes.
hear me? It's okay?
Yes, completely
Hey,
right.
guys. No? Hello,
Can you
hello.
hear us, yeah?
Yeah,
I was saying,
Too many
yes, it's
people on
definitely you. Yeah.
on the live.
Okay. Now that's the menu of the day. Today we have for the meat we have Olivia Piana. You're okay with that? Because we said, look, is it okay to put Olivia Piana as a meat, or should we put Olivia Piana as a fish? And we don't want to have some feminist problem. And then we had no solution. So are you okay as a meat?
Fuck you, Chris. Yeah, good to have me as a meat. I am I don't eat meat, but it's fine.
Wait. Hello?
Non, c'est enfin un test. Attends.
Second, fish. We can change that for next episode, Olivia. Attends. I love this wacky show. What is wacky? I can ask
I don't know.
Jed O'Connor. You are the fish of the day. You are
I'm the
the
fish.
catch of the day. Are you okay with that, Jed? Yeah.
Super cool.
Okay, she's cool, yeah. As the wine, so we have the Fred and the brandy is Loïc Caillé. We have a special quiz today because you can put again the music. Olivia, I'm sure you're a big fan of it. Loïc, you're a big fan. Fred, Manu and me. George Pernou has passed away yesterday, was 73 years old, and he's the main commentator of a program called Thalassa. And for last number of years, I cannot tell you how many, but they've been presenting a show on all the lover of sea, seaside, sailors, everything around the sea. So we'll make a special thing, and this is the soundtrack of it. Okay, quick introduction on just our guest. So Olivia Piana, you are the windsurfing champion, stand-up paddle. If we can have some picture of Olivia. Do we have any picture?
With pleasure, with pleasure.
We have a movie of yourself, Olivia.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's going to work.
Yeah. Up,
So Olivia, who is with us, and she finished third in the Tarifa Wing Foil Pro, and she's a Takun Pro rider. And you're going to talk about the Takun family. You're going to talk about the competitions. There is some brand new guys in the team. So you will have to go back into that story because I've got a lot of windsurfers right now getting equipped now because of that in wing foiling. Then Jade O'Connor, you are the fish, a catch of the day. You are a kite surfer into competition. You like with Pure Magic kite foiling. You've done racing everywhere. So I don't know if we can have now some pictures of Jade. That goes really fast. Huh?
Yeah, it's possible. So
You'll see all these ladies and men, they've started all together between last year and this year wing foiling. So that's why we try to catch their vibes, their feedback, and what do they think about the sport and what they could give as advice. So that's Jade O'Connor right now in the beautiful Conti Mayo. We're going to have as well Fred Dia. So Fred, I said that you are the hot local guy from Le Poule du. Le Poule du is in Bretagne, but not in Morbihan.
no, but just near, huh? Just near.
It's what, 10 kilometers from here?
Oh no. 5 maybe, no, 6.
5, but different county.
Yeah.
Not as rich as Morbihan.
Ah bah non.
Le Finistère.
Ouais.
So we're going to get some picture of Fred.
Maybe not.
Maybe a video.
No, I don't have.
And then after we're gonna go as well. Hold on, I'm gonna put with Loïc Caillé because we have as well some brands with us. It's more than a brand. You are to the surfing. What is Johnny Hallyday to the French rock and roll? How are you, Loïc Caillé from Axis Surf Pistol?
I'm great. Everything is all right.
Everything is all right. Yeah. Good start. Yeah.
Yeah, good start.
Okay, so for this evening, guys, there are some rules. Sorry about that. Everything is in English. This is something we said from the beginning. There is one thing as well. We are not here to do some aggressive marketing, isn't it, Manuel?
Yeah, j'ai rien compris. I
No.
don't understand.
No, but
Not so quickly.
we are not here to do aggressive marketing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree with
You will not put a sticker on the TV on the.
No. It's
No,
not my
no,
sticker.
regarde,
It's not
Manu
my
qui a
brand.
mis
No.
son sticker.
No.
If Loïc, you're saying Surf Pistol. If Fred, you're saying Takuma. If Jade, you are saying Pure Magic, F1, Gong, or Irish. And if Olivia, you're saying Takun, there is a penalty for you and you have to sing a special song. This song is, do you remember which one it is, Manuel?
De quoi?
Whitney Houston. Un
Yeah,
gage.
yeah, I
Un
remember.
gage, parce qu'on n'est pas là pour
Yeah.
faire du marketing.
Oui, oui.
If you're joining, hello Vincent, hello William, just the refrain.
No, just for the pleasure.
Hello Karine. T'as pas l'impression que là on va passer la chanson tout en entier?
Ah, c'est beau quand même.
Ouais. Toi t'as emballé là-dessus, did you kiss
Ouais,
on this one?
yeah, with the slow. The slow dancer.
The Spanish lady, Portuguese?
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch.
Irish.
let's go to the wing foil and to the wing club. So Super Sherry or Super Sherry. Fred, we're starting with you because we started nearly together, but I gave you the first try. You are so passionate about kite surfing, Fred, that you created the first brand of kiteware, Choch, a few years ago. That was that big for you, kite surfing, that you went into the business of kite surfing. Yeah, can you give us, a few input about yourself?
Yeah, back in that time, I was living in Paris and I had a boring office job, and I started kite surfing after doing years of windsurfing. And when I just started, it was seemed so amazing for me that I wanted to dedicate my life in somehow around the sport, and I was too old and not good enough to be a pro kiteboarder. So I thought, hey, there's something else maybe to do around the sport. I was too lazy to be a kitesurf teacher. I left that to others, and I thought, hey, well, there's no kitesurfing brand, and this sport is so cool. There's surfing brands, there's skateboard brands. Why not make a kitesurf brand? So I created that in 2007, and since my whole life has always been dedicated around that, and eventually now today, I've moved over to another business that's also related to sport, which is Sporty Home, and it's still to share the passion of kiteboarding and, of course, now wing foiling as well.
Okay, so you're not anymore in the clothes business, in the jumper business, in the Christmas jumper, or the fashion things, no?
Yeah, actually, this is the all new collection. These are going to be done in board shorts as well for next summer. It will be more appropriate. But no, I'm not doing. The Choch is still continuing with Mathieu from Montpellier, who's taking over. And but it was all started just by the passion for kiteboarding.
Okay, did you say Choch at one stage? No.
Yeah, but you didn't mention Choch. You said this other brand, this wingfoil brand.
Oh yeah, I said Takuma,
yeah,
you're right.
Said,
you catch me on this one, T'aurais pu me le dire, j'avais oublié de dire Choch. L'autre, il a fait son marketing. Okay, and Sporty Home and Choch, la totale. Now, wing foiling. Guys, some of you maybe might not know what is wing foiling. So Fred Yahweh, like myself, completely passionate about wind surfing and kite surfing. And then all this thing. Why did you switch on your first go? I gave you a go for wing foiling. So one board, it was a big board, 110 liters.
Yeah.
It was a 1,800 square centimeter foil from Axis, in fact. And it was a 4.2 F1. I gave you a go just like that on a lovely day, 15 knots, and then something crashed.
Yeah, it's I did already some sub foiling. I actually started foiling with a standard paddleboard, not necessarily the easiest way to start, but I like it when it smells like blood. So I started like this, and paddling is nice. It's a nice sensation to be in the waves, but it's a bit frustrating to not catch so many waves. And when I started seeing the first guys on the wing foil in waves, it was actually Titouan Galéa in Dakhla at West Point, and I absolutely couldn't believe what he was able to do in the waves with this machine. For me, it was just about cruising slowly over the ocean and holding what would be like a little parachute. And it looked a bit boring like this from the outside, but seeing Titouan in the waves made me think that, wow, I have to try this, because actually in the waves, this really is getting interesting. So,
but where you live, Fred, is just in front of Guidel spot. So Guidel, there is a beautiful wave. But you had this view. When you look at the sport, you say that does not look good. That does not look good as windsurfing, kitesurfing. That's slow. That's burning.
Actually, a small disclaimer. All my relationship, everything that makes me passionate about wingfoiling is specific to wingfoiling in waves. Wingfoiling on flat water.
Fred, sorry that I interrupt you, but with Manu, do you want me to change the background or?
It's okay.
No, but I have
no problem with. I have no deals. No problem with that. Anything is cool.
No, but we just put the right phone number because we made a mistake. We sent the phone number of somebody else when
put Manu's phone number on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
No, it's okay.
So sorry, yeah, go back.
For me, what's interesting about wing foiling is the fact that you can go into the waves. Wing foiling on flat water, like unless you do tricks, that's I'm a bit getting too old for tricksing hardcore like Balz and the other guys. But in the waves, I find it really insane, and I think it's I think once you've tried it, you get totally hooked to it, because what people don't realize probably when they see it and why they think it's maybe a supercherie, it's because it actually is much better than it looks. Because the thing is, there's one part of it that you miss when you're watching wing foiling, especially in waves, is that you feel when you're on wing foiling in waves, you feel a new kind of energy, the energy that's underneath the wave. And it's not like wind, it's not like a wave, it's something else. You feel it's super powerful, super unusual, and it makes you glide out in the ocean without any force almost.
I have the feeling it's Pete Cabrina or Kyle Lenny talking to me now. Like that was
That's
beautiful. That's a beautiful concours d'éloquence, Pouldu. You won for 5 years. No, but you
Okay,
made the point, Fred. That's the point. I was talking with Christian, the father of Lazare, Christian Gourdet, this afternoon. He said, "Look, Chris, I love surfing. I've been surfing for 15 years, and I think that I won't have this same feeling. And this feeling is pretty powerful. We forgot to mention that you are a very talented kite surfer, going into big waves and going for kite loop handle pass, any kind of trick and freestyle trick, and same thing in windsurfing and in sup and surfing as well. So today, the feeling on the top of it, the energy from the wing, it's a direct. Did you not find that from kite surfing, sometimes there was something too far? The fact that you had 27 meters and here is direct contact, direct energy in the arm. And
exactly, it's direct energy, and often with kiteboarding, what's frustrating is that you always feel kind of overpowered and a bit too fast for the waves, and you can't really stick to the wave. You keep breaking the waves, and it's that's kind of a frustration. It's also one of the reasons in kite surfing I did more freestyling than wave riding, because I just couldn't get any interest in surfing waves, and I found my pleasure more in freestyling in kite surfing. But in wing foiling, it's totally different. It's the total opposite. This kind of energy that you feel, it really gives wing foiling the edge, and it really creates a difference. It's really what makes it look, what makes it amazing, really, for me.
yeah. Okay, that's incredible. I want to buy Takuma now. But I cannot because Francois in Pure Magic is Francois. If you are listening to us, this is my body in Pure Magic. You can connect to the Zoom if you want to do a bit of marketing. You're pretty good at that. Well, there was something funny before we switch to the other guest. Something funny is, Fred, we don't talk that much because we are pretty busy, both of us. But now, since we have done this wing foiling experience, sometimes we call each other and we talk about fucking centimeters, square centimeters, volumes, liters, and then we're back in that stuff like what is your wheel, what is your fin, what is your sail, all these things. No, that's kind of a bit surprising, no?
Yeah, it's surprising. It just shows how how sport great is to connect people. I mean, it's just having a common passion for wing foiling right now. It reconnects us, and yeah, since the last years we know each other since 15 years now, and yeah, we haven't been connected that much since we started wing foiling again. So yeah, it's great. It's great what it creates, not just between us, but between all the people of the community, like putting up a wing foil club like this, and all the other clubs that you can see over Facebook, and the community is growing. It's just kind of amazing, and I don't know. I don't know if it's bigger. It seems bigger than when kiteboarding started.
I don't know. We can ask Manu. What do you think about that? Like, is it bigger than kitesurfing when it started, or same thing, so similar?
I don't know because I don't practice this sport. But no. I think the sport is a begin, and it's very good.
Okay, but for you, not now. You wait. More
I
interviews.
read the evolution of this sport. No.
Good.
I think is very cool in different situation, in different weather. I think it's very interesting sport. I prefer the kite and I prefer the me. It's my opinion. For the moment,
For
I
the moment,
prefer the
okay.
kite, but I look the sport with interest, real interest.
That's good. That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Okay, Fred, we come back to you. We go after to get your setup. We don't know what's your equipment today, and a lot of people are saying, "Look, what is he riding now? Which one is it? A small board, big board?" Jade O'Connor, how are you?
Super cool, hey guys.
Okay,
everyone.
I hope everybody can. I don't know if you can pump up slightly your. I know you're far
The
because you
volume?
are in the west of Europe. You are in County Mayo, which is the west of Ireland. So you are the super west of the west of. Anyway, at the west,
Yeah, I'm the edge of Europe.
the edge of Europe. How's things in Ireland for you first?
Yeah, pretty cool actually. We've just moved into a new house on Achill Island, and if anybody knows Ireland, it's right out on the west coast.
Okay. Yeah, we'll
small
show
island and,
some picture of yourself, like kite surfing here on the
Yeah.
back and
In the bar.
triathlon. Yeah.
If you're joining
So you're a sport lover and you've done some racing in kite surfing, then in kite foiling, and then what happened with the wing foil? Because I saw one pictures one day on Pure Magic, and the other day I could see you flying everywhere.
Yeah. Like I was crazy for kite racing and campaigned hard on the tour for 4 years, and that was a whole lot of fun. And then finished up, I think, around about 2017, and was just getting back into foiling and kiting just for recreation. And then wing foiling came along, and that absolutely blew my mind. And you know, this period reminds me so much of when I saw kite surfing for the first time. That was back in the late 90s, and Flash Austin.
You're
was,
not that old. Come on,
I
like
am,
back
I
in
am.
the
Oh,
Flash
no,
Austin,
no.
Flash Austin.
So-
That's a few years ago. Yeah,
Yeah,
back
so
back
Flash
90s.
Austin was just the world champion, and I remember looking at him win the world championship and go, oh yeah, okay, back loop, I can do that. Yeah, big jump, I can do that. A dead man, maybe we could do that. And it's
Oh, the
and
dead
then
man.
1 year
You
later,
do the dead man because
competition-
you're a woman. Like you cannot do a
okay,
dead man.
dead person. Let's be politically correct.
Oh
Maybe
yeah,
it's a dead them.
the dead woman.
dead them.
And-
They are dead.
Hey, good question. I forgot to ask that to Fred. But Jade, are you still using your kite surfing equipment, your surfboard, your kite foiling, or?
Yeah, I'm teaching myself to subfoil at the moment, and that's a really cool experience, and just getting into that. And yeah, I still kite. I kind of really discovered the joy of really slow surf foils coming from race wings. I never had this experience of almost being stopped on the water, and that experience of exactly what he said about connecting to that swell energy that's everywhere in the ocean, and even
Yeah.
with the kite,
We-
I find that really cool.
We saw you just few pictures ago, and not this one, the one before, not the one in the pub, but with a big smile. And I think we all had this big smile, and that's why at one stage with Manu, with the friend, we said, look, let's get the feedback directly, verbally, because sometimes when you type a message, this is good, but the emotion is you have to talk about it and you have to share. But that's pure happiness, and what we have right now with the wing foiling.
Yeah, that picture there behind you was one of my first sessions, and I remember sending a message back to Francois. He had lent me that gear that you saw there, and I remember sending him a message back, and I just cursed at him some pretty horrible words for about 5 messages because I knew what he had done. He just sold me the next dream. It's all his
What
fault.
were these horrible words?
Oh, they can't be repeated in French company, only for
All right.
Irish, I think.
What was the first equipment you remember?
Yeah, it's the duotone, the duotone with the boom, and a 7'10" board, massive board.
From where the
I can't
orange
say,
one?
I'm not allowed.
Huh?
I don't want to sing. Nuh-uh.
You're a smart Irish lady, Jade. This game is too easy, Manu. Huh? She doesn't want to say F1.
Yeah, it's cool.
If you're joining as well on the social network, if you want to add any question, I see that the guys, there is one guy from Chile, but how is that possible? Give us a phone call if you are in Chile. We have a phone number. The phone number is working. What time is it in Chile? It must be, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Pierre Guton, if you're ex-windsurfer. Thanks very much, Jed. What's next for you in wingfoiling? What is your equipment right now? Do you already have the straps? Because the evolution, and to make it to keep it very simple, is first we recommend volumes and a large foil, so something about what they are saying, 30, 40 over your weight in terms of volume. So if you are 80 kg, sorry if it is in pound, I have no idea in pound, but if you are 80 kg, you want to start pretty easy. You stop me, guys, if I say something wrong, but you go for a board 110, 120 liters, you get a big foil, and then after you go with smaller. What is your equipment right now, Jade?
Yeah, that's. I think I'm the only person in windsurfing who is going up in volume on their board. I remember there was this podcast for sup surfing called the Progression Podcast, and he had this thing called the Race to the Bottom, the idea that you needed to be on a smaller and smaller board. And I've gone through everything from 35 liter to 70 liter, and my current board is 80 liter, but my new board is 110 liters, and I've gone the other way.
Hold on. There's something which is completely. You started with 35 and 50 liters, and now you go with 110 liters. That's completely unique in the world.
I went down from like 160 all the way down to 35, and then I settled at 80 liters for a good while.
But 35 liters, who the hell gave you a 35 liters board?
Oh, like a race board. Like I've got a
okay, that's not Francois who gave you something from.
No, but now I'm at 110 liters, which is like the other way. And
okay, but that's cool for riding. What's cool with wing foiling, and that's what we have experienced with Fred. There was 1 month ago, offshore wind, big offshore wind, big time, very, very gusty. And because we had a bit of volumes, 100 liters, we were pretty safe to ride together, of course, but to ride in offshore wind, things which will not happen in kite surfing, never.
And also you get to a smaller foil. If you have a bigger board, you can ride a smaller foil much easier, because it's so much easier to pump up onto the plane and go. So you can ride a 1200 centimeter.
Well, what's your brand today? Have you changed, or are you pretty, how do we say, faithful? When you're not cheating on your girlfriend or on your, when you have always the same brand, how do we say it? You are faithful?
Faithful? You could say faithful.
Yeah, faithful. Are you faithful with the brand, or no, you can change? Or
I can do whatever I want, yeah.
Oh, you can do
whatever I want. Free.
Whatever. Okay, thank you so much, Jed. It's very good to have some input from Ireland. If you are from Ireland, for for's sake, give us a phone call on the hotline. We have a hotline. It's really working. The phone number, I give it to you because it's working. People, don't get shy. With this lockdown, we're not used to talk anymore to each other. Now, Jay, that's different because you went in Conti Mayo and there's 7 people there, and there is a bit of space between every house. But how close is your next neighbor?
About
3 miles.
About 500 meters.
No way. 0033749189384. 0033749189384. Sorry, Jed, I have to say it in French. 07 49 18 93 84. C'est la wing line.
Wing line, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Jade. Next one, Olivia. We have a quiz. We have a special quiz to win some wing foiling session. On a un quiz après pour gagner une session de wing foil avec Pure Magic. So, hello Julien, hello. Putain, Karine qui redemande le numéro de téléphone. Ah, c'est bon ça. Alors, on redonne le numéro de téléphone 07 49 18 93 84. Sorry, we have to speak only in English, but sometimes we have to go for numbers. What was going to say? Olivia, you want to talk now, Olivia, or do you want to listen about
Yeah,
Loïc
sure.
Caillé?
Yeah, then I'm a gentlewoman.
Tu prends la
Let's go,
main ou
Loïc, if you want to. Let's go, my friend. Speak in English. Then we do a competition, and then you can judge. You can judge who speak better English than Loïc or me. You know?
Okay.
No, okay. You don't
Okay.
understand.
Yeah, no. Sure. We can do that. But there is a quiz after. There is a quiz after on Thalassa. So, but we can do another quiz. We have all night long. Olivia Piana, welcome to the second time. I am very happy that you have accepted to be on this. Do we have the picture of Olivia on the Wing Club? This club is not.
No,
you don't have it?
I don't have.
Are you getting popular now because of the Fight Club or the Wing Club ad, Olivia?
Yes, sure. A lot. Thank you, Chris.
You're like a
for being my manager.
Without me, no Takun, huh?
Of what?
Without me, no Takun. No, of course not. Only kidding. So happy to see you with Takun. We were talking about, so you are a windsurfer professional. You are training with the IQ foil for the Olympics in wind foiling. You are triple stand-up paddle champion, sponsored by many people. You are a star for so many people. And now you are, like all of us, starting wing foiling, but you are already into the competition. How was your first competition, by the way? Just a quick one, because this is episode 1 now.
It was great. I just went to Spain to see my friends and to sail and to have fun. And it was so nice to meet great people like Bals, and to see Titouan and many people from Italy and Brazil. And it was like, how to say that? It was like weird and great at the same time to be able to do this event during this COVID stuff, you know? So yeah, I just went because my sponsor wanted me to go there. And yeah, it was a good time also to do the New Year in a good place like Spain, Tarifa. It's
Did you do the 12 grapes things? Tu connais l'histoire des 12 raisins en Espagne?
Pas du tout.
Did you do that, the 12 grapes?
12 or 13? 13? 12? Yeah, no, 12, yes. Yes, I know, but we didn't eat 12 grapes.
No? Oh, okay.
No.
If there's somebody from Spain
drink one mojito, like we could find one mojito on the street, and it was already great. Before New Year, but it was
Okay.
Anyway, and yeah, it was great to compete and to do my best. And before the event, I was able to jibe and to tack and to jump a bit and to surf. But yeah, during the event, I improved a lot watching the guys.
Hold on, Olivia. Before the event, your only trick was normal jump, like 1 meter jump, 2 meter jump, something like that.
A jump, but I was not really able to land. It was okay, but not. And then like today, I can jump, but I can land, and I can do 360 sometime. And yeah, I was thinking like, okay, I'm able to surf, and I want to meet some new people, and I want to see Fred, my friend, there too in Tarifa, and I love Tarifa, so I went there, but no pressure, just of course no pressure because it's wing foiling and it's only the start of the sport. But for the competition aspect, you know, it was my goal was to meet nice people and to do my best.
Did you go on your own there, or was the staff from the team there as well to watch the beginning of the sport, the beginning of the competition? And You know, sometimes during the competition, you have some stamps. The brands are here as well to show, to promote.
No, I was alone. Yeah, I just went there and I booked my ticket. I rent a car and then I met my friend there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because my sponsor is only online, so there is nobody, no shop, no nothing.
No shop.
But
Nobody.
no, we don't have any shop, but we have a nice product and people love it, so it's good.
Yes, I was with one of my good friend today, a doctor. If you are watching us, give us a call. He was on a brand new Takun. He received this morning. He was on a 4 meter. I was on a 3.5 swing from F1, and he had a blast. He said, "Wow, I love it that much." So I'm pretty excited as well to try and check that. You know who I am talking about?
No.
Doctor.
Ah, oui.
Doctor. Yeah.
Where is the
I don't know.
doctor?
You can give us a call. You know, if you want to give
Yeah.
us some feedback right now on Takun, this is now. After it's going to be Axis. For everybody who wants to say something about Takun, the wing line is there. Nobody's calling us.
No. Maybe the
maybe your
problem.
phone is not working. We'll try it. Now you're saying you're doing your 360, Olivia. Are you excited now to go back into freestyle? I mean, without competition, not talking about competition, but when you're at home, tomorrow you're going to ride in Caro or something like that. There are nice waves everywhere. You know that with your new machine, you can surf any wave, any shop, you'll be on it, surfing and taking the best of it. Will you try as well to go for 360? Is that something that excited? Freestyle, not in the competition.
You know, Chris, I never did much freestyle in windsurfing before. I just did the back loop, and I never tried I tried the front, but
Attends, stop it.
I
You've
never
never
landed.
done freestyle
But
in windsurfing. I just do
I'm
back
not
loop.
a freestyler, but I feel that with the wing, everything is so much easier and I didn't want to try before Tarifa, you know, to do the 360 because I had no interest to do it. And when my friend like Noah and Bals, and when you see Bals like jumping in front of you and smiling like, hey, look, you're like, okay, I try. And it's only about trying and then you see that it's okay, that you can do it. And when you control it and when you can do it, yeah, I think if I have the good technique and if I feel good with the wave and the condition, I can surf and I can also destroy my wing doing freestyle sometimes.
Yeah, but you are sponsored.
No, yeah,
so.
of course you have more chance to destroy the gear doing freestyle, but
Okay.
I like it, yeah.
Olivia, quick question about Takun. How did it happen, this story? Because you are the first person I know who got sponsored by Takun. The second one was a big shock, was last week, Philippe Koster, the world champion in windsurfing.
Yeah.
So within few weeks now, I see an international team pretty fat, pretty solid. So how did it happen?
You.
How do if Manu wants to get into Takun, is it Takun who is going to contact us, or is it you contacting Takun? Are they looking for a special profile? What's the story?
The story is
Takun on line one.
No, pas de number. Attends, this is the first time. This is the first time. Bonjour.
Hello.
Oui, bonjour, bienvenue à la Wingline. Hello, welcome to the Wingline of Wing Club. Qui est à l'appareil?
It's Christophe, the doc.
Ok, c'est pour une annonce sur le matériel, une annonce pour Olivia Piana ou une annonce sur le matériel Takun. Nous sommes
Ou sur le Covid.
Ou sur le Covid.
Je suis fan des deux, Takun et Olivia Piana.
You have to talk in English. This is international live. So you are...
I'm definitely a fan of Takun and Olivia Piana.
Very good.
Thank you, merci.
Merci. She said thank you. How was your session with the Takun this afternoon, Christophe?
Yes, it was very, very good. It was first time I tried this wing, and I'm definitely a fan. It's a very light wing. but a lot of power.
Okay.
And in the waves, it was a big dream. It was fantastic.
What did you have before?
Before I had gong
No,
and
you had a gong, yeah. Okay.
It's better. Tycoon is better.
Okay.
It's lighter and more. I love it. Definitely.
Christophe, can you confirm you are not you're not the brand manager of Tycoon? Or oh, we have many calls now. We have many calls.
Yeah,
Sorry, we have to
double
take another
appel,
call.
hein.
Double
Double.
appel.
Wow.
Thank you very
What a
much,
success.
Christophe. Hard
Thank
drive.
you.
Okay.
Wait, Christophe. Olivia, do you have an advice for Christophe, who is our #1 call?
Thank you, Christophe. And the advice, I'm gonna do some tuto maybe, if you like, to show how I can, like, because it's hard to say, to give an advice like do
Okay,
that, you
so,
know.
hey, the
But
next
yeah,
the
just
next
have fun and try
episode.
your best. But
Yeah, next episode, Olivia is gonna give a tuto for you, Christophe. Okay, you send us an email. I don't know where you live, but you send us an email and we give you a tuto. Okay?
Il a raccroché.
Il a raccroché. Putain, on était en double appel. There is nobody calling for
Lot of
20 minutes.
success. Ah, new.
Hello.
Ah, ça a coupé.
Ça coupe. Olivia, so how did you get into Tycoon? They contacted you or you contacted them?
So the story is Bruno from Orgy that does my first subfoil in France. He did the shape of my sponsor, my actual sponsor of the Comet.
Yes. The Comet.
Yeah, the Comet SW. And then yeah, Bruno is a good friend, and then I wanted to work with him, like doing new board and new products, and then he said, yeah, just contact them and let's see what we can do together. And yeah, Bruno was my contact for to enter in this great team.
That's cool. And now you are in the same team as one of probably from this century anyway, the best windsurfer, wave rider in the world, Philippe Coster, freestyler as well. That's what happened. Just like have you heard about it?
I don't know.
Or like...
I never met Coster before, but yeah, I'm super happy that he's on the team, and I think he's a great guy, great talent, and it's just so incredible to sail with him and to get to have him on the team. And I don't know the story how Coster went on the team, but it's just incredible.
So now you're on the same team, but you were in the Tycoon team before Philippe, so you can give him some advice. That's a huge signal for the future of the sport. When you see a purist like Philippe Coster or Kaoli or so many people now jumping into the sport, it is, and we'll do the transition after with Loic, but that's good sign for what's to come, no?
Yeah, sure. It's and also me, no, doing stand up and then doing wing, no?
Yes,
Chris.
of course. Huh? Of course. yes.
No, but sure, it's just crazy to see like this kind of guy getting to like having a sponsor and coming to the competition and pushing the sport to the next level. And
but yes, Olivia,
we're gonna see some crazy things on the coming months with Coster sailing with the new gear.
You're smart. You're very smart. But you are dead right. I mean, people here, you are stand-up paddle champions. How many years of stand-up paddle in your career? 8 years, 10 years?
8. Yeah,
8 years.
8.
8 years. Philippe Koster, the best windsurfer. Maxime Chabloz, pure kite surfer or snow kiting, going from kite surfing to wing foiling now, super good. Like Titouan Galea, like Max Constant. Manuel,
And
playing
Bals too.
music, and Bals Müller, freestyler, going as well. So many sport are going to the wing foil. So, we have a call. Sorry, Olivia.
Allô?
Allô, oui, bonjour.
La bonne blague.
Il y en a qui nous font des canulars. Rappelle le numéro. We're going to call back the number. If the person doesn't reply, we give the phone number to everybody. On est des malades. Et si vous nous appelez pour nous faire des canulars,
On va le harceler.
Olivia, si tu veux qu'on appelle quelqu'un après, if anybody we want, when you are guest of the Wing Club, call anybody we can do. We can call Kailini, we can call Robin Ash, we can call, who do we can call? Your parents?
Maybe.
No, they are
Maybe
in
yes.
lockdown. Attends, mais qui c'est qui répond pas? C'est quoi cette messagerie?
Orange Business Service, bonjour.
Classe.
Avec la message vocale de Vernac William. Laissez-lui votre message et votre numéro.
William.
Ah, c'est William Vernac. William.
Gaulé.
Comment on a
Ah
gaulé.
ouais.
Eh, William Vernac, si tu
Excellent.
nous écoutes, on est en train de te laisser un message. On va te retrouver. On sait où habite ta femme. Séverine, qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Je vais
Ok.
t'appeler toutes les minutes, toute cette nuit.
William Vernac. Salut à Francis Noguet, salut à tous les copains qui se rejoignent. Merci beaucoup, en tout cas, Olivia. À partir de l'épisode 2, from episode 2, we're going to start to have a rubric. So we're going to have the tips, the trip, the destination, the woman of the week. The woman of the week, of course, you are always the woman of the week, Olivia, but it was as well Jade O'Connor. We're going to have the brand of the week, and the brand of the week is Loïc Caillé. Salut Loïc, ça va ou quoi?
Ouais, salut, impeccable.
Tu prends le téléphone
Attends,
ou pas?
on prend William.
Alors. Allô?
Allô, oui?
Hello, it's Philip Koster.
Ah, guten Tag, Philipp Koster. Wie geht's?
Hi guys, it's Philip Koster.
So, hey,
Tycoon is a big fucking new brand. Thanks, guys. See you later.
bye bye, William.
Bye bye, ouais, merci.
Ok, William Vernac, on va le retrouver plus tard. Loïc, super welcome to you. Regarde, we are in your shirt in the flower
Yes.
power of Honolulu. How are you?
Really sexy guy. Fine, I'm fine.
So, are you still working? Are you in your office at that time, Loïc, or is it your home, or where are you?
No, I'm in the office because of you.
Oh, sorry. And you get no money from that. Maybe you get a bit of like, what's your brand?
No, it's cool to be with you. It's okay.
Okay, look, how long have you been in the business? Because we want as well to get the feedback from the brand, and for us, Surf Pistol, Axis, Sensis, all the brand you represent is a bit of rock and roll. You're a special character, so just tell us about you. You are ex-windsurfer, and then a kite surfer, and then a subfoiler, or?
Yes, everything. I had I fall crazy about windsurfing. I was 16 years old, so it's 40 years before. Since I had never stopped, I had started kite surfing at the beginning. I had started stand-up paddling, and now I'm very happy with what's happened in foiling, because foiling is a general use, and it's very interesting for all the support, not only wings. Windsurf, windsurf foil, kite foil. Foil will change many things, so it's very, very interesting to go on and to follow the story.
Okay, that's good as well. Just to let you know as well, the quiz will start in 5 minutes. Just after Loïc, we have a quiz, and I'm sure that Loïc will throw some present and gift as he usually do.
Okay.
No, not for this time. And what do you think first about wing foiling? You have a perfect view on stand-up paddle, kite surfing, windsurf, surfing, subfoiling, surf foiling. What do you think about the wing foiling?
Already something new, and it's very interesting because after 30 years of windsurfing, it's always interesting to go on a new story. And I'm someone which like a lot the technical, and when the sport begin, it's very interesting because things move a lot. So the first years of windsurfing were probably the best one. For kitesurfing, it was also the same. For stand-up paddling, it was also the same. And now it's great to open a new story and to create new product. It's less boring. So it's very, very interesting. And something else, I saw the event at La Torche, and it was great to see a contest with a windsurfer, kite surfer, stand-up paddler on the start line. Everyone competed together. So it was really funny. Yes, so really nice.
Okay, the people as well on the Facebook, and you're seeing, of course, Nico Parlier as well, some kite surfing moving to wingfoil. Axel Mazella, same thing. We put a bit of music because we did not put a bit of music to introduce yourself. Ça fait longtemps qu'on n'a pas écouté de la bonne musique en boîte de nuit. C'est un peu triste, le mec il est mort en plus.
C'est vrai que c'est triste.
This is your logo.
C'est vrai que c'est triste.
We have only that from Hawaii.
Yeah.
If there's anybody from Hawaii, you can give us a call on the wing line. Voilà, ça c'est pas. Loïc, now how do you find the right product? We have seen now that within 1 year, all the brands are producing now wing foiling, foils, and when I mean all the brands, I could make a quiz on that, but I think at least 25 brands are on the business now. How do you manage to find the right product now? Because you have your credibility, the people.
No, but yeah, credibility. Yeah. I'm in this market since a long time now. I had begun 30 years before, so I know a lot of people. And Evan, the owner, is an old friend of mine. I know him since the beginning of Mystic. We had worked 17 years together. He was a distributor for US, and I was just the agent for North Brittany. But we are friends since a long time. So when he begins his story, he called me, and I jump with him, and I get the luck to be in the right trend at the right moment, right time, right place. Yes.
Okay.
Was lucky.
Today you have different brands for wing foiling.
Yeah? Yes. But the brand with Evan is a big luck for me for sure. It's arrived when I need it. So it's a good,
that's
nice luck for me.
It's not N6, no?
Yeah, N6.
And the other one, the one I have, the
Axis for the phone.
Okay, can you sing the song now, please? Donc, no, there is a penalty for you, Loïc.
Yeah, I know, but it will be impossible.
Pas le droit de le dire. Celui qui dit Axis ou une brand, il doit faire le refrain. I tell you the word, it's very easy. I will always love you, okay? Take a moment. We have, c'est un gage, it's a pénalité.
Oui, always.
Attends, Loïc, wait. C'est ton gage. This is the price for aggressive marketing. Ok, stop. Alors, c'est à toi, Loïc Caillé. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Non, mais vas-y, on passe directement. Ok. Tu t'entends la chanson, Loïc?
Ouais, mais tu sais, moi je suis nul pour ça.
Ouais, non, mais t'inquiète pas, au refrain, tu chantes. Pas encore.
Ça me rappelle quand on dansait les slow dans les boîtes.
You can play with the drum. Attention. pas mal, c'est pas mal, c'est pas mal.
Oh.
On peut applaudir. Hein. Well done. No, well done for Axis. You gave me the last one. You gave me the surf and the carve from Axis, and I tell you, I have a lot of fun on that. The 900 as well is a big hit. It looks like the 900 is a big hit, but give us some advice. If somebody right now wants to start wing foiling, what do you recommend yourself as a brand?
To go
Manu.
step by step.
Manu is
Go step by step.
83 kg. Okay, he has good experience. 84.
Yeah.
84 and a half. 84 and a half. He does not drink. He does not
No,
smoke.
yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true.
A very healthy life.
Yeah, yeah.
Cereal and eggs in the morning.
Yeah, yeah.
Cereal and eggs
Biologic
in the
alimentation.
and a bit of kite surfing background. What do you recommend for this guy?
For vous? Sorry.
But for Manu.
Bah, pour moi,
For Manu,
qu'est-ce
Yes.
que tu me recommandes comme foil?
go step by step, buy a big board with a volume,
Yeah.
a foil with portance,
Yeah.
a big foil, easy to lift. You will increase your level very quickly, and it's easy to sell as a second hand. The market is open, so don't go in stuff too hard. Take your time. Begin with an easy board, an easy foil, and when it will be okay for you, it will be easy to sell. So don't go too fast, step by step, and enjoy.
Okay.
I agree with you.
You agree with you. What's the budget? The people are seeing the fact to go into a new sport. Are we talking about big money now if you want to get fully equipped? The second-hand equipment is not that popular, Loic, because it's only 1 year old at best. So that's still an expensive or?
Yes, it's expensive. Huh? It's more than 2,000 euro for sure. It's the minimum is more than 2,000, and it could go to 3,000. So yes, it's an expensive sport, but a lot of fun.
Okay, a lot of fun. Well, I see a surf pistol board at the back. The program, will it be more for people with the strap jumping? Will it be more for beginners? Will it be more for jumping, for surfing, or is it for everybody all around? What's the trend?
The brand will be complete. So I will get an easy board for the beginner, and
Okay.
I will get for all the level surfboard, small board. I will get a complete offer for everyone.
Okay. After 2020 mess, because it was a mess, it was in French mess.
Ouais,
Yes,
La merde quoi. Non, c'était la
Non, la
merde
mess.
2020. No, not mass, mess.
2020 was not easy, but 2021 will be not also.
Yes, it's not,
So,
but that's as well. Besides the fact it is fun for the users, for the guys like you, it's cool. I mean, it gives a bit of oxygen in the bad time.
Yes, for sure. But I was lucky. I get the good brands at the right time. You know, it's not easy for everyone. I was lucky to find the good products.
Okay, we're gonna go and start the quiz, Loic, for Thalassa. You're a big fan of Georges Pernou?
Yes. I'm not sure I will be good for the quiz, but yes, I was looking to only every week. Yes.
Oh, the sound of the future. Fred, were you a big fan as well of Georges Pernou?
Oh, yeah, definitely. But it's been a long time since I haven't watched Thalassa.
Yeah, it was.
It's a dream.
The soundtrack is
Yeah,
to
it's
make
a travel
love.
dream.
To make love on soundtrack of
Yeah.
Thalassa. Julien Lebihan, you are watching us. Julien Lebihan is exciting. The guy from AFS. Hey, give us a phone call. AFS. The guy is saying, look, I am here. Julien is our friend. Come on, give a phone call. Jade O'Connor, have you heard about Thalassa from Ireland?
Never heard of it before.
Never heard. Olivia, have you heard about Thalassa? Were you a big fan as well, or?
We lost Olivia, no?
Oh, we lost Olivia. She's gone.
We lost
My God. Okay, we go. It's a short quiz, but for example, if you are winning this one, Fred, or anybody on Facebook, you can get a free wing foiling lessons in Lorient or in Pure Magic or wherever you want.
Yeah.
But wherever you want.
Who's the monitor?
Is somebody from Pure Magic. Okay.
In Lorient.
In
Well, it's
Lorient
you.
or in yes, it's me or
Okay.
it's wing foiling experience with all the equipment. I give the wetsuit, the drink, the advice, the camera, everything. Like I gave to Fred. You remember Fred?
Yeah.
How much worth? How much does it worth?
I think we were like 6,000 euros or so. Yeah, it was huge.
6,000 euros. That's
Yeah, it was huge.
too much, no? But when you like, you don't mind. Okay, so I'm gonna put that. So, guys, sur le live, c'est le quiz qui commence. Rico, Julien, this is the quiz. If you are winning, Loïc, Fred, or Jade or Manu, if you are winning, you can give that to anybody you want. And then I make a move, I travel, not that far, but then I give a wing foiling lessons to share our passions for wing foiling. This is episode 1, so, and we have to do something special for Georges Pernou. Here is the question, guys. Attention.
Seagull. The seagull?
Okay. Can you see the screen, Fred?
Yes.
Okay. You need to take a piece of paper. Les gens, donc ça c'est pour une leçon de wing foil. You need to take a piece of paper and a pen. I explain very quickly. There's going to be questions 1, 2, 3, 4. Questions 1, 2, 3, 4. If, for example, the answer is yes, you have to put on 1 point. Okay. If on the second question the good answer is 2, you have to put 2. Then you will have to add 1 plus 2 and blah blah blah. Okay. At the end of the game, you get a number. This number corresponds to a letter in the alphabet. I had to find something very tricky to make sure nobody was cheating and nobody was gonna tell me, look, Christophe, you have been cheating. You give this to your friend. This is for Manu or something like that. Manu, you can play as well. Manu, you can play. Yeah. Take a piece of paper.
Yeah,
now,
I don't have the pen.
Listen to me. You're going to have a few questions. It's very short, 5 minutes. You get the number of each question. At the end, the total is a number. This gives you a letter. Once you have the letter, the free lesson of wing foiling, plus the equipment, plus the drinks, plus the blah blah, plus the pictures and everything, goes to the first person who give us a phone call on the wing line. Oh. Ah bah si. Donc imagine.
Non,
Première question.
Mais non, tu peux pas.
Je fais un exemple. Première question, la réponse 1. Deuxième question, la réponse 1. Troisième question, la réponse 1. Ça fait 3. A, B, C. Je passe au numéro. Allô, oui, bonjour, wing foil. La réponse est C. Vous avez gagné. OK. Is that clear for you, Loïc?
Yes, it's okay.
Is it clear for you, Jade?
Perfect.
Is it clear for you, Fred?
What's the phone number?
OK. On redonne le numéro de téléphone. You're a very smart guy. The phone number is...
En français, 07 49 18 93 84. Je répète.
Est-ce que tu peux
07 49 18 93 84.
Oh, putain.
Il est dans les commentaires.
Okay.
Okay, so Manu, what is that in English?
Sorry, you have in the commentaire. Comment on dit comment?
And
comments.
Manu, in the style of Fight Club, please. Give me the number.
Sorry.
So 00, vas-y.
00.
Attends, we've got a call.
Ah.
Allô, oui? C'est qui? Who's that?
Thibaut.
Ça va, Thibaut?
Fine, and you?
Yes. Hey, Thibaut from where? Because we have so many guys called Thibaut.
The husband of Karen.
Pas moi?
Hein?
Karen.
Ah, Thibaut Pérez?
Oui.
Ah, ok. Et tu veux passer un message, Thibaut?
No, just the number is wrong.
Ah, you're cool, guys. Hey, you should participate to the... Where are you from, Thibaut? From?
No, but you know, Thibaut Caillet from the husband of Karen.
Ah, Thibaut Caillet. Ok, man.
Hey, t'as qu'à parler en français,
Hey,
ça sera plus simple.
Thibaut, make sure his wife is texting us as well. Make sure you are winning this one. Okay. Ok.
Bah, salut Thibaut.
Salut Thibaut. Attention.
Salut Thibaut.
Ah ouais, non, bah, là on est connecté. We take a lot of food.
Génial.
Let's go for the quiz. Attention, Thibaut, t'as intérêt à gagner. Putain. Alors, attention, Jade, you have the phone number? This one is a special tribute quiz for one of my favorite program on the TV. You can see on the screen the guy, Georges Pernou, passed away yesterday, 73 years old, passionate, made big things for sailing, for the competition, for the sea, for the environment, and for sea lovers.
For us.
Ok, attention, ça va super vite. Fred, ready?
Yeah,
Lloyd,
ready.
Yep.
Jed, ready? For all the Irish people and the English people, sorry for that. This quiz is pretty fast and furious. Attention, c'est parti. Question numéro 1. How many Thalassa episodes? 17.4, 174, 1704, or 17,400. It was every Friday. There is 50 weeks per year. Manuel, what is your guess? Ouais.
Je le dis.
Ouais,
la 3.
Okay, well, we'll see. Sometimes Manu give advice. Question number 2. Keep the number. If, for example, the answer the first question was 3, you put 3 points. We have A, B, C. Who's going to win the lesson? Question number 2. How old is Thalassa program? 1841, 1905, 1975, or 2019? Loïc Caillé, what is your guess, just to help the people? J'ai pas compris ta réponse. Donc tu marques 3 points. T'es à combien de points pour l'instant?
6.
T'es à quelle lettre?
A, B, C, D, E, F, F.
Sortez un alphabet, les gars. Sortez un alphabet. Attention. Rico Jubin, sois concentré. Putain, les mecs, ils sont en train de prendre l'apéro en même temps qu'il y a le quiz. Faites attention. Est-ce que c'est la dernière question? Si c'est la dernière question, vous devriez déjà être en train de nous appeler. If it is the last question, you should give us a call now. Mais non, it's not the last question. Where is Georges Pernou, the commentator, from? Is he from Maroc?
Morocco?
Tiens, mets de la musique marocaine un peu.
Ah, je sais pas.
T'as pas? Mais si.
Ouais,
Is he
si,
from
si.
Vendée? Is he from Normandie? Or is he from Bretagne? Rico, non, c'est pas 1841. Allô, oui.
Hello.
Oui, bonjour.
It's Fred. Fred from the live.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think this is number 10. I think it's Jay.
J. No, sorry. Bye bye. It's not J. Okay,
Huh?
on continue. Fred, what will be your answer on this one? You can give some.
I would say number 4.
Ah, yeah?
Guys, I can tell you if you're
Christoph,
saying
I'm
number.
Irish and I even know the answer.
What would you recommend, Jade?
Ouais, it's difficult for you. Hein,
What would you recommend yourself, Jade?
Number 1.
Number 1.
G.
Wait. Alors oui, bonjour, Wing Club, le quiz.
Oui, allô, le
Oui.
Wing Club?
Oui, bonjour madame.
Bienvenue.
Oui, bonsoir, c'est Catherine de Dublin. Catherine from Dublin.
Oh, hello,
Catherine.
Oh.
Well, what is your answer, Catherine?
So which question?
This question in the moment.
Okay, we give you a phone call in few minutes, Catherine, because the quiz is not finished. The quiz is not finished, Catherine. You have to be patient. Hein? Bon.
No, but I just wanted to listen to Manu's voice.
She's still there. Allô? Ok, question numéro 4. On continue. Alors, attention, Catherine, tu peux rester avec nous.
See you later. Thank you.
Thank you, Catherine.
Attention, on va se concentrer. Name of the first sailing boat he was in. Is it called Cronenbourg, Ricard, 33 Export ou Guinness? There is a good answer.
Good
Jade,
question,
yeah, you're
Good
still on track.
question,
Yeah? Oh, Jade is very. I have to speed up because I have the feeling that Jade is cheating with Google. Okay. Wait. Allô, oui, bonjour, bienvenue sur le Wing Club.
Hello.
Oui, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hello, Manu. This is Julien.
Ah, Julien, how are you, Julien?
How are you? I'm fine, Manu. And you?
Julien to Brest.
Yes, Julien from Brest.
Yeah, from Brest. Yeah, how are you?
Yes.
All is okay?
Are you into wing foiling, Julien? Yeah.
No, not yet.
Not yet, you?
Next summer, I will be.
Okay.
Winner.
And you have an answer for the quiz, Julien, maybe?
Yes, I think it is the high, the E.
The I or the E?
Faut que tu choisisses.
Like, man.
The I like mum.
En français, le I, le I en anglais.
D'accord.
Okay.
It will be a good answer, Julien, if it was the last question, but
Yeah.
it is not the last question. Sorry, Julien.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you, Manu. Bye-bye.
Hey, bye.
Hey, Julien, we want to see AFS on the next episode.
Ah bah, yeah,
The Made in
parce
France.
que là,
Okay, so they're cool guys from Tanguy.
Tu peux m'entendre? Tu peux m'entendre?
Ouais, je t'entends, ouais.
Je sais sur quel bateau il était parce que j'ai vu des images terribles. En fait, mon cousin faisait cette course-là et il y a eu un film, donc c'était des Angevins, tu vois, il y avait 3 Angevins qui faisaient cette course. Et lui, il filmait sur le bateau, c'était dans les 50e rugissants.
Ouais.
Et il y a une putain de vague qui arrive, qui couvre le bateau et la vague sortir et il n'y a plus personne. Et c'était un pote de mon cousin et le mec, il est perdu en mer. C'était filmé en direct, le film était waouh. Voilà pour la petite histoire.
That was a sad story, but
Ouais.
no, but like that's the truth. That's the truth, and that's why maybe as well Georges Pernou got inspired after by the unfairness and the beauty and the strength of ocean. Non, arrête de. Bon, non, c'est vrai, Loïc, l'histoire. That's during that first sailing experience, there was one guy who got catched by nasty wave. Okay. Attention, prochaine question. Who's the guy on the left here? Is it Professor Raoul? Is it No ID? Is it Professor Tournesol? Or is it one of the Bee Gees?
It's very difficult.
Yeah, this one is difficult. Did you count from the beginning?
No idea.
No idea. Maybe it's a good one. Okay. If you are just joining, this is a quick, short. We're a bit. Next one. Which program was not on TV when Thalassa arrived? Which program was not on TV when Thalassa arrived? Des chiffres and des lettres. Is numbers and letters. Is it le jour du Seigneur? The day of God? Hein? Is it news? Journal de 20h? Or is it radioscopie? You have 10 seconds. Fred, à ton avis?
I'm gonna guesstimate number 4.
Oh putain, you're very smart.
Ouais.
Everybody is smart this evening. What is the degree in alcohol of the similar name drink of Georges Pernou? Is it 49 degrees? 51 degrees? 69 degrees? Or 101 degrees? Non mais à la fin...
C'est n'importe quoi. Oh mon Dieu.
J'espère que vous faites la comptabilité. If you're joining, you have to count because that's the principle. The Wing Club is a very, very small club. Huh? Only the best. What Georges Pernou has not. Tiens, fais les questions.
1, driving license. 2, bank account. 3, boat license. Or 4, mobile phone. Non, il passe son permis bateau. C'est dingue.
Next question. Attention, hein, préparez-vous, hein, c'est pour une session wingfoiling. Ça rigole pas. Peut-être c'est la dernière question. What was his favorite conclusion? Kenavo, bon vent, à plus dans le bus, hasta luego. Okay, I think this is the last question, guys. So it's up to you now to pick the phone and let me check. Is it the last question? That's the last question. So who's going to answer first? Vous avez eu toutes les questions normalement. Alors là, attends. Premier numéro, il n'y a même pas de double appel. Très bon.
Oui, allô, bonjour.
Bonjour, bienvenue à la Wingfoil, Wingline.
Oh yes, hang on. I have to put down my. Yes, hello. Thank you. So I think I'm going to try. I just called, but I have to do my calculations here. It's just to monopolize the.
Attendez, on a un double appel. Attends, tu peux prendre le double appel 2 secondes parce qu'il était un petit peu long. Oui, bonjour, allô, oui.
Allô,
oui, bonjour, bienvenue à la Wingline. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
ne soyez pas timide.
Bonjour, vous êtes pour le quiz de la Wingline?
Exactement.
D'accord. Comment vous vous appelez?
Catherine.
Catherine. Ok. Catherine Etienne?
Yes.
No.
No.
No, it's not. Where are you from?
I'm from Brittany.
Okay, and are you wingfoiler?
Almost. I'm too busy with the baby at the moment.
Okay, what is the letter you found, dear Catherine? Wait. On a un double appel. Attends, remets-le. Ah ben Fred est parti.
Ah non.
Attends, ramène Fred. Sorry Catherine, vous avez double appel. Attends. Sorry Catherine, yeah? Attends. Fred, rappelle le double appel. Attends, il est perdu avec ses boutons. Alors, ouais, Fred, excusez-nous, nous étions en double appel. Quelle est votre proposition, Fred?
Ma proposition est le U.
Et le U. Ah, c'est une mauvaise réponse. Désolé, Fred. Bye bye. Est-ce que nous avons Catherine? Catherine, elle a raccroché. Ce n'est pas la réponse U, les gars. It's not you. What is a good answer? It's not you. Go. A free lesson. That can be for your wives. That can be for your girls. That can be for yourself. A free lessons of wingfoiling. With it's going to be with a F1 inflatable 140 liters, a 5 meter swing and axis foil. In fact,
je crois que je pourrais gagner, moi.
Bah toi, tu peux gagner, mais tu sais là. Est-ce que tu connais la bonne réponse?
Deux sœurs, bien sûr.
Si c'est pas U. Putain, mais les gars, vous n'avez pas compté. Tiens, réponds cette fois. C'est toujours moi qui réponds.
Oui, allô?
Ouais.
Oui, bonjour madame.
It's Catherine again. I really want to win.
Attendez, vous êtes en double appel.
Bougez pas. Oui, allô?
Elle est trop longue, les gens.
Allô, bonjour madame. C'est Thibaut from Plumber.
Thibaut from Plumber. Hello Thibaut.
Pardon?
P. What is the number for P? Ah, T. Pardon, we understood P like. Non, et c'est une mauvaise réponse. It's a bad answer. Okay. No, it's not T for Thibaut. Thibaut, make an effort. T for Thibaut.
C'est pas la bonne réponse.
Non, it's not T for Thibaut. Sorry. Okay. Attends, on est en double appel, désolé, il y a plein de gens qui nous appellent.
Triple appel même.
C'est
bien,
triple
on
appel.
t'entend.
Allô, oui, bon, attends, allô, oui, bonjour.
Yes, hello.
Yes.
Oui, bonjour
Yes, it's
madame.
Fred from le pool du.
Ouais, qui est à la fin? Oui,
Qui est
c'est
à
quoi la
l'appareil?
lettre? C'est quoi?
I was going to say T, but I'm going to say
Non.
S.
Non, c'est pas S. Allô, oui?
Allô, oui, bonjour, c'est Karine from Plummer.
Yes,
Ah,
bonjour,
bonsoir, Karine.
Bonsoir. Comment allez-vous?
Bonsoir.
Oui, je
bonsoir.
dirais la lettre S comme,
Comme
comme la
Suzanne.
mère.
Comme quoi, elle a dit? Comme quoi, vous avez dit?
Si, c'est. Bah, si, S-E-1, la mère.
Oh, j'ai eu peur. J'ai eu peur, Karine.
T'as dit quoi?
Je sais pas, mais j'ai eu peur. Est-ce que c'est la bonne réponse?
Karine,
Christophe
est-ce que vous avez déjà essayé le wing foil?
Ah, ben non, pas encore. Moi, j'ai pas joué encore. C'est Thibaut qui a essayé.
Ah, d'accord. Bah, c'est pas la bonne réponse, désolé.
Ah, vas-y.
Ah,
Vous êtes en double appel, excusez-nous.
merci, merci. Oui, bonjour madame.
Oh putain, c'est pas possible.
Oui, allô?
Yes, hello.
Oui,
Allô?
Yes, hello.
oui.
It's Fred from pool du.
Ah,
Non, non,
Fred.
vous avez déjà joué. Attendez, on va refaire un truc parce que c'est pour un vrai cadeau. Alors, je vais refaire vite fait les questions et vous allez compter. Fred, attendez, 2 secondes. Attendez, hop. Alors, ok, je reviens en arrière. Alors, hop. Alors, vas-y, on a 2 secondes. Écoutez bien, je sais pas s'il continue vous continuez de voir les copains là, Fred, tout ça dans le live.
Yes.
It's very easy. Hein. Première question, how many épisodes? Réponse 3. 1704. Un record. How old is Thalassa Program? 1975. Where is George Pernou from? Maroc, guys. He's from Maroc. Yes, he was born in Maroc. From Bretagne. Oh, guys, come on, that's on the news. The name of the first selling money was in. Loic, you are right. 33 export. Who is the guy on the left? No idea. We don't. Which program was not on the TV? Radioscopy, because all these 3 programs are older. Incredible. Chiffre des lettres, il est toujours. C'est des programmes.
Ah, je ne sais pas. Ouais.
So 4. Faites la
Ok.
comptabilité. La wing line, il faut l'appeler pour gagner une session. What is the degree of alcohol? 51 degrees, Pernod Ricard. What George Perjou has not? He has no boat license. You were right.
Yeah.
What was
Ok.
his favorite conclusions? Bon vent. Ok, bah tout ça, ça nous fait un total de. Ok, on va laisser appeler.
Ça fait U.
Ça fait pas U. Ça fait combien les totaux, Manu? Fred?
C'est 1, ça fait U.
Ça fait W.
Ah bah il faut appeler sur la wing line hein, si vous avez la bonne lettre. C'est pas U, c'est pas loin. La
Ah, il y a
wing
quelqu'un
line.
qui dit, il y a Willy qui dit, erreur, thalassothérapie, c'est 1980. Il n'a rien compris.
Qui va nous appeler pour avoir. Fred, tu n'as plus le droit d'appeler puisque tu as déjà appelé 3 fois. Je te vois déjà en train de taper sur ton numéro de téléphone.
Oui, alors il y a Fanny. Oui, effectivement, Fanny, tu pourrais appeler la wing line, peut-être pour nous interpréter.
Non, mais tu sais qu'il y a. There is
un
20
de tes plus grands
seconds
tubes,
of.
peut-être.
Hey, Jay, did you get all the good answers, yeah?
Ah.
Ouais.
Alors
No,
attention.
I lost you about 20 minutes ago.
Oh no way, that's pure.
Chaos.
Oui, bonjour madame.
Bonjour, bien.
Bonjour, Christophe, l'homme nerf qui rock.
Ok, are you a wing foiler?
Yes.
Okay, have you managed to go through all the questions to make your maths and are you ready to propose a letter?
Yes, I am ready to propose a letter.
Okay, Manuel is going to ask you the question. What is this letter? Manuel, the question.
What's the letter? Non, c'est ça.
Tout le monde nous appelle.
Oh là, on nous appelle
I
d'Irlande.
think
Hein?
R comme Robbie.
Non mais putain. mais tu dors ou quoi? Are you sleeping? It's not R. It's not R at all. It's not R. Non mais
But
it's
it
incredible.
was to say Robbie.
No, it's not Robbie. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ça, c'est pas possible.
Oui, bonjour.
ça.
Hello.
Réponds, réponds.
Hello.
Hello, is this the Wing Club?
Is he who's?
The Wing Club.
Yeah. Who's at the
It's the
phone?
answer Friday.
The answer is what?
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
No, sorry. You are at the wrong quiz.
Damn it, wrong quiz again. Okay,
No,
thanks.
what's the later?
It's,
What's the
we're looking
later?
for a later, like A, B, C.
What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Hitch. Hitch.
It's not H, but all the best from France.
Thank you.
You take care.
Okay, bonjour.
What's your name? Oui, il est parti. Attends. Ah, tellement d'appels. Attends, on devrait facturer.
Yeah.
Bonjour. Hello.
Yeah, Manu, this is encore Julien from Brest.
Ah, Julien from Brest.
Julien Le Bihan.
How are you, Julien?
Okay.
I'm fine. I think I've got the right answer. I
So,
think this is W.
Okay, we listen you.
This is W. Well done, Julien. It is W. Okay.
Man.
Bon, because you are working for AFS, you cannot win. So it's Manu the winner.
Yeah,
No.
Thank you very much.
Julien,
pleasure.
you are winning. So what do you want to do with the wing foiling session? You have a free wing foiling session for you.
What I want to do?
Do you want to take it or you want to give it to somebody?
You can give it to another person if you want.
No, but are you good already in wing foiling?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Are you already good in wing foiling?
I'd like to try it, yes, but I don't have time, but I'd like to try.
Okay, but it's free for you to try in Lorient.
In Lorient? Okay, cool. That's really good.
Tomorrow,
Really good. I have
from,
some friends in Lorient.
from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Okay. Next week?
Unlimited,
Yeah.
tomorrow morning, 8
The
o'clock,
Monday.
10 o'clock.
Only the Monday.
Okay, we attends, there's somebody
oh là là.
calling. Okay, Julien,
Thank you,
you're
Julien.
winning.
Thank you,
You're winning.
Yeah, bonjour madame.
Bonjour madame.
Give me an A.
It's not A, no.
No.
Give me a B.
Who's talking? Ah putain, c'était qui?
Bah, je ne sais
Bon,
pas,
okay.
il a pas
Hey,
dit son nom. Hein.
that's the end of the Wing Club. Hold on, I'm just gonna stop sharing that screen. It's a special clin d'œil pour Pernod, obviously. Jade, thank you very much for being with us, and Olivia, as it's a long one. It's a special one because it's well done for your background. Thalassa is big into our heart. Manu?
Sorry?
Thalassa is big for the French people.
Yeah. It's very, very popular in France.
Yeah. So, Jed, I hope you enjoy. You were the first lady in from Ireland in episode 1.
Thank you,
and I
Christophe.
hope
Thank
you're
you,
gonna have
Manu.
a lot of good wing foiling sessions and kite foiling and sport and everything.
What is George's saying? He said bon vent, bon vent.
Bon vent.
Bon vent.
Bon
ouais.
vent. Does that mean good wind?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good wind.
good wind.
Bon vent. Okay.
Let the wind push you in good place. Yeah.
Bon vent.
Bon vent, Jed. Thank you so much for being connected with France and with the social network. It's same thing with Fred. Thank you so much, Fred. There's a bit of Christmas spirit to see you in this Christmas equipment.
Yeah, definitely. Christmas equipment coming. I had just a question for Loic.
Yeah.
Loic,
Yes.
do you think that wing foiling is going to be bigger than kite surfing?
Yes.
Do you think that it is worth that I create a wing foiling clothing brand?
It's time. It's now or never.
Fred, I have a question for you. Do you think wing foiling is going to be so big that we should create a wing club?
For sure. You will make money.
I think that once this is over, the COVID, we are going to create buy bars over in all the big cities and create wing bars for all the people who are wing foilers, so they can join after the session and watch videos and share and do what we're doing physically.
Yeah, that's a great idea. That's
Christophe,
great
can I say
idea.
something?
No, sorry. No, it's of course, Jade.
One
Yes.
last thing. So in late spring, early summer, when we hopefully are through the lockdown in Ireland, and hopefully in Achill, we are going to organise a gathering, a wing gathering for all the Irish riders and international riders to come around. No competition, but just to share the vibes, learn together, see what everybody is doing, and get everybody on the water together.
Sure, and we'll be there. We'll be there for sure,
Count it.
Jade. Loïc, une petite conclusion. Voilà, on a dépassé. T'imagines, we were targeting half an hour, and well, like anyway.
C'est le show.
Loïc, what can I wish you as well for the coming weeks, because it's going to be complicated, but
No, we take fun. Get fun.
get fun as
pleasure.
always. Yeah. Hey, what do you want to listen? The last music, we can get any tune now because we haven't been listening music and dancing. You're doing some dancing sessions with L'Adresse, Tiffany in Plumber, but what should we listen as a conclusion? Loïc, you
Ouais.
pick the song.
J'ai pas d'idée.
Pas d'idée. Vas-y, je te laisse
No, but
choisir.
I take yeah.
Manu,
if you
thank
want.
you very much. You put the last
With
music.
pleasure, with pleasure.
And we'll put the generic. Thank you very much for following us on the social network, because at the moment this is the only thing we can do, and probably the beginning of the year is going to be digital. So thanks a lot, Fred, Olivia, Jade, Loïc, François Colissi, and Manu. This is only the episode 1. This is the start, and maybe it will finish tomorrow or next week or whatever. So this is not most important, but you had fun, yeah?
Yeah, very cool, very cool.
Yes, you had fun. That's cool.
At the last week?
Yes. I remember
No,
that
the next week, sorry.
Manu,
Ouais.
you have to go back before 8 o'clock in France. 8 o'clock, you have to go back in your place.
Ah, yeah, it's true.
Except if you are working.
Huh?
Except if you travail.
It's true, it's true.
Okay, bye-bye on internet. Bye-bye the social network. Take care. And next episode will be on the ladies, on the tricks, and on the group on Facebook. The guys like wingfoil.fr, wingsurf.fr, Adu Runners, Harold, Wingfoil, all these guys who are doing a bit of buzz in the network. We want to see why they are doing that. We want to see how they started and what do they think in their community. Loïc, Fred, Jade, Olivia, bye-bye, ciao, hasta luego. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
guys.
This is Wing Club. I am Chris, I am a wingfoiler, and... Normalement, c'est notre conclusion. Tu dis,
De quoi, pardon, sorry?
tu dis, I am Manu and I am not a wingfoiler.
I'm Manu, I am not a wingfoiler, but maybe...
Not yet.
Not yet, not yet. Exactly. Eric.
Exactly. You take care.
Exactly.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now,
Hey, bitch. Hey, bitch. It's my life, bitch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't you know I'm loco? Yo quiero